Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back to watch. I didn't want to admit that Easter was probably going to be canceled because of this whole coronavirus situation, but I was like, Easter, like, you can't cancel it, like, it's Easter, right? It's like, kind of like Halloween, but nice. I don't know. And I also got this idea because I saw on Amazon that they had these like pre-made Easter baskets and they were vegan, and then turns out they were actually sold out. So that kind of sucked. So that's why I thought I'm gonna make my own. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot 101 of quarantine. Here it's illegal to go outside without a mask. How adorable is this? Let me see. Let's check it out. So I got these eggs. Okay, actually, I think I'm just gonna dump all this out here because you guys know I talk so much. So, waffles! Oh my gosh, he's Easter ready, you guys. I have my cute little Easter basket. Okay, so first thing you want to do, and with these Easter baskets, I thought it'd be such a good idea to like, you can do them at home. Well, obviously you have to do them at home. It's not like optional right now. And since we're all at home, you don't even have to do it before or you could do it after Easter. Like everything will be on sale. So, okay, so we have our little like, what is this even called? Easter grass? Okay, so I had to get the red vines because honestly, these are really good. And yeah, there's like 4 ingredients on here, so definitely gonna use that in here. Put that on there. Super cute. Okay. Smarties, isn't this kind of cool? Like, they don't come in the little rolls like they used to. And honestly, I don't think I ever liked these candies. I think, okay, I would just grab them. I would grab them, open them up. I'd put a bunch in my hand and I'd literally like take them all like and pretend I like drugged myself as a child. And I know that sounds pretty weird and that escalated very quickly, but I would watch the novelas like that my parents were watching, and a lot of the times they had like these women who would grab like pills, or they just became like, they'd have like a mental breakdown and they'd grab the pills, take them and like kill themselves, and it was like so like melodramatic. But that's what I would do with these, and I saw these and I was like, childhood Easter, this is my childhood. So that has to be part of my basket. Anyways, so obviously I'm not gonna put red vines in here. That's kind of Skittles. This is a big one. Apparently they used to not be vegan, but they changed, I guess, something that they did, and now they're vegan. Oh. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna pour them in here, even though I don't think you should do that with regular candy. Like, I mean, if you're having a regular Easter, but this is not a regular Easter, so. Just gonna put them in there. And that will be my first egg. Oh my gosh. Also, I saw that these were Mamba. I don't know why it took me like 3 seconds to try to read this. And I've never tried these, but I thought they looked pretty interesting. What are they? These are fruit chews. Let's see, lemon, raspberry, orange, strawberry. Raspberry? What does raspberry even taste like? These are... This is like a Starburst on steroids. What flavor is this? Oh, strawberry. Oh, lemon. Okay, orange and strawberry. What happened to raspberry? Yeah, raspberry. You had one job. Look how tiny these are. These are really good, actually. I'm just gonna open all my little eggs up. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, the Mamba Tropics. Peach passion fruit. What the heck is a passion fruit? These are so bomb when you put tapatio on them. Go in my basket. You know those people that only put like jelly beans in them? Like, why are you even showing up with eggs? Like, why? Okay, what's this? I mean, the ingredients are okay. I'm just gonna open one because the heck? This literally smells like a pretzel with like sea salt on it. I don't know what I'm eating here. Have you guys ever had these? It just says powdered candy. Powdered candy. Sorry, that was a god awful wink I just did. Jelly beans. Ooh. Island fruit, tiny jelly, bird eggs. Bird eggs. That's not vegan. Yeah, I definitely just ate a coconut one. I'm gonna put my little things in here. So cute. Oh my gosh, I forgot about this. This maple ginger tea. I mean, because obviously we're quarantined, coronavirus, like, come on. Ex-co-worker had told me that you, or like not you, but that in the UK, that they put milk in their tea. And I don't know if that's true or not, because I'm an uncultured swine. But if you are not an uncultured swine, let me know if that's true. But I actually been doing it. I did it today and I did it yesterday. And I did my tea like normal, and then I put like some almond milk in there, and I put a little bit of agave. And it was actually pretty good. Like, I was kind of shocked. It was like, it gave it that like creaminess. So this quarantine edition Easter baskets deserve some tea in them. Ooh, that is strong. I feel like I'm smelling one of those like nasty candles. We're gonna put some tea bags in our Easter eggs because, you know, we're just trying to adapt here. That's what it is. It is what it is. I got a rock star because sometimes, even though we have nothing to do right now, I mean, I have stuff to do, but like not much to do. Yeah. If you want to customize and personalize your Easter basket, then you can add some, like what I'm doing here, some Pokemon cards. You can give them a rare Eevee. Yes, it's rare. Actually, I don't know if it's rare. It's just like the only card that I have that has like, it's like a little holographic. So, you know, customize. So you guys can see my basket, see how cute it looks. It's personalized. Obviously, don't put this in your kid's basket. Like, I don't feel you can like make this more like adult version. Put some alcohol in there. Get your masks. Put them on. Get your basket. Go outside to your yard, not the park. If you want to give somebody a mask that you love, put it in their Easter basket. It's perfect. Anyways, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And when I say that, I really do mean it. Thank you so much. And also, I want to give a birthday shout out to my friend Bernice and my friend Sabrina. Happy birthday. Sucks we have to be inside, but oh well. And it sounds so mean. Thank you.